Chili garlic idli is our today's recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. So let's start and make chili garlic idli. It's very easy and very delicious recipe. For that we require mini idlis, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped green chilies, salt, oil, finely chopped onion, green chili sauce, soy sauce and red chili sauce. So first in a wok or kadai, I'll take oil, about 2 teaspoons. Once it's nice and hot, I will add crushed garlic to it. So about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic or finely chopped garlic. Then add finely chopped green chilies, about 1.5 teaspoons, and then cook for about 2 minutes on high flame or until the garlic has become nice golden brown in color. Then add finely chopped onion to it. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of onion. Cook well on high flame. Keep stirring. Then I will add salt to it as per taste. Make sure the sauces contain salt, so add accordingly. Once it's mixed nicely, I will add soy sauce to it. So about 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce. Then add red chili sauce, about 2 teaspoons or as per taste, and green chili sauce. So about 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. And then combine everything well on high flame. Then add some water and let it cook. So once it's thickened a little, I will add the idlis to it. Mix everything well. Cook for about 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. I'll transfer it into a serving dish. Top it with some green chilies, and this is how our chili garlic idlis are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned.